Hello friends, welcome back to our Tsinfo YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss how to create different forms in Power Apps. First of all, open your Power Apps with your respective Microsoft credentials, and whenever you want to create a blank canvas app, just click on the Create button and select Blank App. Here you can choose Blank Canvas app, then click on the Create button. Here provide the app name. And here you can see the format is by defaultly tablet format. Then click on the Create button. Now to get the default forms in Power Apps Canvas app, just expand the Insert tab. Here search the form. Here you can see there are two default forms is there. One is Edit form and one is Display form. Edit form can be used to modify or update one or more fields of a respective record, and display form shows one or more fields of a respective record. Now I will show you practically how to create different forms in Power Apps Canvas app. Before that, this is my SharePoint online list as holidays list. Inside this I have added two columns like title column, and this is my date and time field column. Now I want to add this list as data source in Power Apps. For that, go to the Power Apps, and you should remember whenever you want to add a respective SharePoint online list, go to the data section. Here select the add data and select SharePoint. And here you can choose respective SharePoint online site. Then choose your respective SharePoint online list. Then click on the connect button. First of all, I will show you how to create a new form in Power Apps Canvas app. For that, select the default screen and expand the insert button. Here search the edit form. Then select the edit form. And you can also make alignment correctly as per your needs. Now set its data source property as SharePoint online list. You can also remove attachment column, and you can also change the layout options like vertical or horizontal, and you can also rename the form. Now you need to change the default mode as new, and finally insert a button control. Change the button text. And set its onSelect property like. Here you can see submit form is used to save the data from edit form to the data source, and form records is my SharePoint form control name, and reset form we can use to reset the content of a form to initial values. And once your app is ready, just save and publish the app. Now go to the preview option. Here provide the details. And click on the button control. See here, the user will enter a new record via Power Apps form and click on the submit button. It will be submitted in the SharePoint online list. Now we will check in SharePoint online list. For that, go to the SharePoint online list and refresh the list. Here you can see we will get the new record from the Power Apps new form. Next I will show you how to create the display form. For that, go to the new screen. Here go to the templates, and select list template. Set its items property as SharePoint online list and change the layout option as title and subtitle. Next, insert another blank screen. Then insert a display form. Then set its data source as SharePoint online list. Now set the display form item property. Here you can see template gallery list 1 is my list form control name. Now go to the list form. Here select the arrow button and set its on select property. Here you can see I will use navigate function to redirect the specific screen. Once your app is ready, just save and publish the app. Now go to the preview button and select the specific record. Here you can see it will redirect to the display form screen and it will display the specific record details. In the last I will show you how to create the edit form. For that, insert another blank screen and rename the screen as then insert a edit form and set its data source as SharePoint online list. Next, set the form item property. Now go to the display form. You can add edit icon. And set its on select property. See, I have used navigate function to redirect to the edit screen. Once your updates are done, just save the app and go to the preview button. Now select the edit icon to edit the specific record. Here you can see it will redirect to the edit form. Now insert a button control or save icon. Then set its on select property. Here you can see this is my edit form control name. Now go to the preview button. Here you can update the record. Then click on the save button. Then go to the SharePoint online list and refresh the list again. Here you can see the specific record will be updated. I hope guys you like this video. To give a like and do subscribe our YouTube channel for more free videos on SharePoint Online, Power Apps, Power Automate and Power BI. Thank you.